habang pauwi sa kanilang bahay sa bayan ng Barotac, Nuevo Lalawigan ng Iloilo. Hindi inakala ng isang dalagitang peligrong naghihintay sa kanya sa daan.
Of rape victims are women.
30% of women are victims of job abuse.
51% of women are victims of teenage pregnancy. But who will take an action?
If not now, then when?
When? Turning fear into confidence, empowering women to protect themselves and stand their grounds in every situation. I am Janelle Barreto for Women's Strength in Every Step. Number 20 sa balota, kay Barreto, hindi kayo mabibigo.
Hello everyone, I'm helping rural communities through gaining access to education, economic opportunities, and healthcare. I'm Arian Angeles for empowering women in rural communities. Number 26 sa balota, vote for Angeles because I am the best.
Use social media platform to raise awareness about gender inequality. I'm Naomi Varona, feminist social media community, number 1 sa balota. Kay Varona, kayo lagi ang iuuwi.
Programs for leadership training, enhancing public speaking, and encouraging young women to run for leadership positions. I am Eunice Rosales, fighting for empowering future women leaders. 7 sa balota. Vote na dahil kay Rosalejos, kayo ang boss. Support her to lead, empowering women and providing equal opportunities. My name is Penelope Luis M. Itable, fighting for women job opportunities. Number 19 sa balota. Kay Penelope, ikaw ang priority.
Amplifying the voices of women who have been silenced, marginalized, and oppressed. I am Jensen Tornta. Number 4 sa balota, boto na kay Kape, never kanyang itatampi.
Do you wish for a leader that can enhance and nurtures individuals' capability? Well, you're on the right path. My name is Leandro Catrion Merdocchio, and one of my basic platforms is one of the social issues right now, and that is the women's reproductive health system. The increasing rate of teenage pregnancy, of HIV and AIDS is very alarming. That's why vote for me, vote for Leandro dahil ang kanyang serbisyo ay kwalipikado. Once again, my name is Leandro, number 23 sa balota. Vote wisely, vote kakaibib. Dahil sa kakaibib, kakaiba
Dahil babae ka.
that can...
Magaling siya makipagbiruan, pero ang puso mo'y hindi paglalaruan.
Okay na, habi.
Programs for leadership
Putang ina na. Gusto mo lakad?
kasi mabilis ako and encouraging young women to run with opportunities.